Good morning, friends. This video is meant for all the students who are preparing for their board exam 10 and 12, and also for all the children who are preparing for their school annual exam that will be in February. And board exam is also from 15th February, 16th February. So they in Feb they have all of them have the exams in Feb. So, what actually is the basic need of the children who are preparing for their different exams? First of all, they have to develop concentration, ekagrata, concentration, because they are being distracted by various, gadgets. So, for 10-20 minutes, as soon as they get up at 4 o'clock in the morning, now there is a winter break, and the parents should first of all make them sit in meditation for 5 minutes. श्रीमद् भगवत गीता में ये लिखा गया है कि मन हमेशा चंचल होता है, वायु के समान होता है। मन जो है ना, उसको शांत रखना बहुत जरूरी है। तो बच्चों को मेडिटेशन कंपल्सरली कराना जरूरी है। 5 मिनट उस मेडिटेशन के योग अवस्था में बैठे रहें और 5 मिनट तक वो एकदम मेडिटेट करें। वो 5 मिनट्स मेडिटेशन दैट विल डेवलप कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ माइंड। जो अपने मन को कंसंट्रेट कर लिया है, एकाग्र कर लिया है, जीवन में उससे कोई भी दूसरा डिस्ट्रैक्शन प्रभावित नहीं कर सकता। सभी छोटे बच्चे क्लास 1, 2, 3 से लेके क्लास 12 तक को कम से कम 5 मिनट मेडिटेशन के लिए बैठाया करें। पेरेंट्स घर में उनको अपने भी बैठें और उनको भी बैठाएं। 5 मिनट्स मेडिटेशन, क्योंकि मन वायु के जैसा होता है, चंचल। अगर मन को एकाग्र कर लिए तो आपका सारा, जहां 2 घंटा लगेगा कोई चैप्टर खत्म करने में, वहां 15-20 मिनट में हो जाएगा। अब हम आते हैं टॉपिक पर। जनरली इन इंग्लिश a topic comes generally omission of words, and editing that comes. Editing means correction, error and correction. These are the areas where class 10 students and 11 also, they have also editing and omission. Now for omission, they have to mastery different grammatical structures, different grammatical items. For example, many of the students feel difficulty in using correct verb form, and many of the students feel difficulty in finding omission, such as determiners, a and the, many, much, few. These are some determiners. They also are deliberately missing in the sentences. A paragraph, integrated paragraph is given, and in that the examiner deliberately creates missing words. The missing word might be a model: can, could, shall, should, may, might. It might be a verb, auxiliary: is, am, are, was, were. So there are 10 to 12 primary conjugate words which always go along with together, like either or. Either or always goes together. Now, whenever you see in a sentence either or, try to find out, is there any verb agreeing with the second one? I mean, or, nearer or, like either he or his friends are coming today. So I have used are because the second subject is friends, that is plural. So whenever you use either or, neither nor, always make the verb agree with the second one. Either Mahendra or his sisters are present in the class. So sisters plural, therefore it will be are. Now if the either or, neither nor, if the second subject is also singular, then there will be verb, like either money or education is to be preferred. So both of the subjects are singular, therefore the verb will be is or was, or singular verb will be there. Then come to the second conjugate word, which always go together, not only but also. Not only education plays a great role in our life, but it also brings confidence among the children. Not only education plays, so not only but also brings a change in our lifestyle. So the sentences, the conjugate word are not only but also. Then you'll see that in omission, the omission of the a and the articles are very common, very fundamental. And use of the, it is a vast area. It is not to be only grasped, it is to be practiced. Like you see, generally we write the before the prime minister, the president, or the post which are unique and one and only one in the democracy. Like the president presided over the both houses of the parliament, the prime minister delivered his speech or addressed both the houses of the parliament. The prime minister, the president, because they are unique. In the similar manner, the sun, the moon, the earth, they are unique. So whenever you use the sun, the moon, or the earth, always use the before it. Like the earth revolves around the sun. Even for class 5 student, they should know that yes, the is used before the unique things in universe, like the sun, the moon, the earth, like that. Then comes use of a and n. They are very distinguished one. Generally the children commit mistake in the use of a or n. What do they do? Actually, they think that n is used before a vowel, which is wrong. Vowel sound, it is an is used before a vowel sound, a singular countable noun. A is used before a singular countable noun having consonant sound. Now, how to distinguish vowel sound from consonant sound? Look at that. I am just speaking. He is an honest man. The sentence is correct, but honest begins with H, but the sound is a O. In Hindi, O, honest, Honest. As the sound is of O, which is in Hindi, which is a vowel sound. In English also the sound of O or A is a vowel sound. Therefore, he is an honest man. He is an honor to the profession. He is an honor. An honor. Though you are writing it HONOUR, but it is pronounced with A, therefore it is vowel sound. Similarly, even if a sentence begins with an alphabet which is vowel, but it sounds consonant, like he is a European. European, YU, the sound is of YU. He is a European. Generally, children do the mistake that they write he is an European because they see E before that, the first alphabet. That is not the right way. Try to spell the word European. It is YU. Sound is not Ye. Sound is U. YU. YU. The sound is U, which is a consonant sound. He is a European. His wife is an Indian. Now here an Indian is a vowel sound. Now similarly, he is a one-eyed man. There is a sound of W, which is a consonant sound. He is a one-eyed man. वो एक आदमी है. One-eyed man. Similarly, India is a union of a state. A union, YU. His father is a university professor. A university. Actually, a YU, the sound is YU, which is a consonant. Generally, the children see U and then write on an university professor. That is wrong. He is a university professor. Here, university, pronounce the word YU. So, in use of A and an also, should be very, technically understood. Otherwise, there will be mistakes. Then comes, some more conjugate words. Like you will see that rather is always used with than, rather than. She would study rather than going to a movie. She prefers to study rather than attending a club. So here also you will find that rather is always used with than. Then no sooner did he see the tiger than he ran away. It is in negative sentence, and the same one will be in a affirmative form. As soon as he saw a tiger, he ran away. But there will be a comma. Then there is a word scarcely when. Class 11 students generally have 11 and 12, they use the word scarcely. But there is a rule that when you use scarcely and hardly, auxiliary will be first. Like scarcely had I reached the station when the train arrived. Hardly had I reached the station when the train arrived. Hardly when, scarcely when. Scarcely when I reached the examination hall when the bell rang. So scarcely is always followed by when, and hardly is also followed by when. But no sooner is followed by that. No sooner did I reach the station. Reach, because when you are using did, don't use V2, use V1. Hardly did I reach the station. Reach, R-E-A-C-H. Then the train arrived. That means as soon as you reach the station, the train arrived. That is the meaning of that. So scarcely when, hardly when. Then comes to some more conjugate words. You will find that generally sometimes as and as are used in positive form of the degree of comparison. Like he is as good as as an intelligent boy. He is as good in studies as at sports. He is as fast in solving maths as he is in solving English. So as. Then so as. She was so tired as she could not move from the bed. Then so that we eat so that we can survive. Then provided that I will allow you to go and play, provided that you finish your work. In case you work hard, there is a possibility that you will top the class. Unless you work hard, you will never pass, which is negative. You will never get good marks. Unless you work hard, you will never get good marks. So friends, you see, these are some conjugate words which are used in day-to-day written and spoken English. But some more will be there in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice morning. Thanks a lot.